Hello and welcome to the new RoadWorks YouTube. The Mid-America Trucking Show is March 26th through the 28th. You have less than 90 days to get your show truck ready for the 2020 show season. We thought we'd help you out with a short list of the most popular truck parts drivers add to their Peterbilts. If you have any questions about the parts on this list or where to find them, just visit our website roadworksmfg.com. Let's get started. Peterbilt trucks are the poster child for the show truck circuit. Any good Pete build starts with a solid bumper. So, number one on our list is a custom bumper. Depending on what style of truck you're building or upgrading, RoadWorks has all the options you'll need. Consider the following questions before looking for a new bumper. How tall do you want your bumper to be? Would you like boxed or miter cut ends? Do you want lights cut into your bumper? And for those looking to add a custom option, would you want your logo cut into the bumper to really turn heads? If a bumper is too big for you, let's try out number 2 on our list, which is a visor. Every proper Peterbilt needs a big old visor to keep your eyes resting easy and look good, too. Choose your visor style: monster drop, Darwin, untie, bow tie, or build your own with RoadWorks Custom. Add lights and cutouts of any shape and size on your visor. If you've already got a visor, maybe check out our number 3 on this list, a grill insert. Set your truck apart from the others in the parking lot and turn heads while you're on the road with a grill insert. Some of our most popular styles include billet, louvered both horizontally and vertically, and punched. You can choose from one of our 17 production punches or go custom with a limitless custom option punch grill. If you've already got a bumper, visor, and grill insert, check out number 4 on our list, deck plate. Your truck is not only for show, it works too. Make sure your frame, lines, and tools are protected with a durable piece of deck plate. RoadWorks deck plate is available in both smooth and treaded styles and can be cut to any length. Lights in your deck plate? Absolutely no problem with RoadWorks Custom. Let's close out number 5 of this list with the most affordable piece, window trim. Your Peterbilt will definitely need window trim to give it that chopped or old school look. Have no fear, RoadWorks offers a full line of chop tops, windshield trim, and sleeper chops to complete the full large car look. All you have to decide is how tall you want them and if you'd like your window trim shiny or sanded for paint. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 parts from RoadWorks for your Peterbilt. The 2020 RoadWorks manufacturing truck will be revealed at our Mid-America Trucking Show booth, which is number 16112 or 16112 on March 26th. Make sure you stop by the booth if you're at the show. We will be covering more top 5 parts for your truck coming very soon, so make sure you subscribe to this channel and follow our social media to stay up to date. If you'd like to learn more about any of the products in this video, please visit our website roadworksmfg.com or contact your dealer today. Thanks for watching, and make sure you're turning heads with RoadWorks Manufacturing.